Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the Snapchat score not updating issue. It's a new account that I am using for testing purposes, but I've noticed sometimes I would get from 0 to 200 score, for example, and it doesn't update for a while. So here's 3 ways to actually fix this issue. Before I tell you the ways, make sure you give this video a like, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and comment down below if you have any questions whatsoever about the video. So here we go. The first fix is actually going on your settings, going over to general, then go to iPhone storage, or the app on Android. You go down to the app, which is Snapchat, and offload the app or clear the cache on an Android device. After you do that, it basically resets everything for you. Another fix is going on the App Store or the Google Play Store, typing in search, and making sure that your app is up to date. If that doesn't work, what worked for me was just closing Snapchat and opening it again. Whenever I did that, and I went to my profile, it would update for me. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, give it a like, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.